All right, everybody, welcome back to Traveling Costa Rica. We're still in Cartago, part 2. Guys, this is part 2. Check the channel for part 1. I'll put part 1 in the description. We're just walking around down there, basically. You can see the big flag there. That's where we ended the last video, part 1. And today we're going to be checking out this cool municipal museum. Look at this. This is fantastic. Totally free, guys. Totally free here in Cartago to visit. Guys, if this is your first time joining, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Hit like, leave me a comment, say hello. I'm putting my steps in today. Here in Cartago, guys. If you want to know how to get here, where Cartago is in Costa Rica, check part 1. Look at that. There's the market right there. That's where we started the last video. So this is how close the municipal market is. And look at how nice it is. Look at the site here. All these old buildings. Very nice up here. So this used to be a prison, I think, if I read correctly online. Here's the train track. Nice bike lane here I'm standing in. You ever seen those videos where the guy's driving the bike lane and just yells at people? That was just me. Ding, 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 get out of the way. Here's a really nice garden. Look at how fantastic this is. And there's a sign in this garden that they have the Z para todos, the free Wi-Fi. There you go. There's the sign. So guys, I love that they do that in Costa Rica with a lot of the places, the beaches and things like this. You can get connected to free Wi-Fi, and all the city centers, even little towns, tend to have the Z para todos for your Wi-Fi. But if you want to get an eSIM, guys, I got a link in the description below for a company that I've used for the eSIM. Very, very good. You don't need a SIM card, and you can get connected right when you come here, land in Costa Rica. And there's some other links down there for gear that I find useful, like the backpack I'm wearing right now. It's a sling bag, locks with zippers. Check those links down in the description along with part 1. Let's walk over here. Man, this is, I'm just like thinking that's a really nice building, right? Super nice, super nice. Fantastic job. Oh, what's that say? Museo. Look at that. That's so cool. I mean, that's just exemplary. And what's that say? Cartago. That one says Cartago. That's cool. I'll take a picture of that one. That one's really nice. So guys, oh, he's holding the door open for me. So there's a security guard here that opens the door, but it is free to get in. So you just say, hey, I'm coming in. I already asked him if I can make a video. Said it's super cool. I'm gonna run get the VIP treatment. Gracias. So here you go, everybody. There it says, Museo Municipal de Cartago. And guys, I haven't actually been in here yet. I haven't ever been here. We're just gonna walk through together. We're gonna see what we can see. All kinds of cool paintings. I'm gonna like try to use my my non-Sam Squanch voice. Usually I'm too loud. So this is a painting area. I like it. All right. All right, I like these. These are very nice. And I can hear people playing instruments. So I wonder how this works. I don't know how it works. I don't really know how museums work. These exhibits, like I'm assuming that these change, right? These rooms have different stuff. Also, look at the room, man. Look at the trim. That's what I'm like. You know what I mean? Got a knot. Damn, that's some nice wood. Some nice wood. They've done some nice trim work in here, boy. These old hardwood floors. They feel so good to walk on, and they sound so good. Here, I'll show you guys the floor. That's a nice floor, man. That is a nice floor. Anyways, back to the actual museum stuff. Oh, I like this one. It's kind of like embossed. You can see it's kind of like raised. Cool. It's about diversity. This one looks like a map of Costa Rica. Order and chaos. Oh, okay. I like that one. It's kind of like my tattoo. You know, I don't know, I guess. I got art on my arm. Maybe I should be on display in here. I think people would pay for that. Look at this. Now I see, you know, like, why is there a security guard here, right? This is a really nice building. Look at it. It's so nice. That's where the warden stand. In yesteryear, that's where the warden would stand and yell at the prisoners. I'm just making that up, guys. I'm just making up a story as I go. We're storytelling here. We're storytellers. I like this one. I like the color on it, you know what I mean? It's a nice one. Here's the provinces of Costa Rica. Oh, there's another nice. I like that one too. That's a cool one. Excellent, man. This is just the first room. Oh, I like this one. I like the how it's done, you know. I I should be forbidden from going to art anything. That's a huge one. I like it. So the security guard said it's one floor. He said on the second floor it's just like people working. I'm pretty sure that's where the band is. So we'll go around. Are we going this way? Yep. See an open door. Are you kidding me? What? Dude, what? Look at the... So they got the round stone right there. And look at, oh, this is interesting. This must be what they lift it with. Maybe? Yeah, I guess. It's like an old school, like I wonder what year that's from. Like this kind of winch hoist system. Maybe like 100 years ago or something. So there's a big bell. It says 1818 on the bell. Awesome. And there's the round stone, like the indigenous round stones. And then, my God, man, look at we're going to walk all the way down there. I just want to show all of it. It's a huge, huge mural. Oh, and there's the Spanish, I guess, landing. I'm assuming. Oh, there's a guy, I don't know what's going on out there. Look at this. This guy's got a bow and arrow, and he's maybe he's defending the monkeys. I should keep my commentary to myself. I feel like some of this is like diabolical, man. I feel like there's good stuff, like, you know, getting food, but then I feel like there's some dark stuff. Like, I don't know what's going on there. There's a snake on a tree. You know what I mean? Like, that's a nice one. It's like a warrior. And look at his hat. I don't want to say hat, guys. I'm not trying to be disrespectful. Anything I say, I'm not trying to be disrespectful, okay? I'm just trying to, like, you know, just my thoughts about what's going on here. See, like, that's interesting. Like, is that dark or what? Like, I don't know. I feel like that's not, like... I feel like everything here is telling some kind of story, you know? Story that I'm not necessarily party to. There's some cowboy. But guys, if you know anything about this, like, I mean, I'm just spitting off kind of what I'm saying here. I don't know, you know, I don't want to. Maybe the art is all just positive and cool. Maybe it's like the history of when Costa Rica came to be. Look at this one. This one's kind of in rustic. But maybe there's like tour guides that can explain it, or maybe they bring school kids in here. Maybe it's part of like curriculum or something like that. What's going on there? Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's like the man. That looks like the thing in Perez Zeledon at the Central Park in San Isidro del General. Looks exactly the same. Oh, these all have. Wow. Oh, nice. Those are cool. What are those? They look like June bugs. They look like June bugs. Oh, there's the entrance. Okay. All right. All right. Is there more exhibits in here? That's a nice painting. Oh wow! Look at that. Wow. And you got a picture of that one. See, I'm talking less because I'm like, I don't even know what I'm looking at. I don't even know. I'm just like dumbstruck. There's a dog, and I don't know what is that. I don't know what is that. Does it say here? Huh. Campos de Pasos. Oh yeah. Let's go this way. Hey guys, so there you go. I mean, I dig it. Wow. It is huge. But I really just feel like it's telling a story of like struggle. You know? That's how history is made, is it not? See what's going on over here. Oh, there was another sala over here. There was another sala over here with some art in it. Right there. Oh, there's another big painting. Guys, and I can't stress it enough, okay? I'm the last person that should be narrating a museum tour, but here I am, right? But here I am. I'm the guy doing it. Now there's noise coming from here. Sounds like chewing noises. Huh. Interesting. 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 It's about consumption. That's like looks like porcelain or something. And that is, I don't know what's going on there. I'm gonna go slow roll past these so I can like read them after. Okay. Casa Una Vida. Okay. I think that's this one. I think this one's Casa Una Vida. Almost a life. Maybe I should do more museum tours. And I try to be respectful and stuff. I'm just like, I'm not a proper person. Well, those ones like move. See, and the thing is, my Spanish, I'm pretty good Spanish, like conversationally, but like reading history and stuff like that, I'm kind of falling apart here. There's a dog. It's like burlap, kind of. Without name and on the streets. Ah, okay. Dogs didn't have a home after COVID, it says. Oh my God, there's a... What? The Ronald McDonald. This is interesting. Oh, look at that, a soccer ball. Oh, cool. Football. It's called Porque. And here is Act 1 of the Freedom Walk. I don't know what this is. It's a hand. This is nice art though, man. I'll tell you what. Eternal Dreams, this one is. Eternal Dreams, and now this one. It's got that uncanny valley thing going on, right? Like, those are bullets. Those are like 9mm bullet casings, maybe. Maybe smaller. But that it's something's going on with this one. I mean, I like it. I like what it's trying to say. I don't really necessarily know. There's the write-up for it. Okay, guys. So there's the museum tour here in Cartago. The municipal museum. Excellent. Free to come in and check out, guys. Guys, his brother. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed that walk and talk and tour there, as I whispered my way through a museum respectfully. As always, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. And leave me a comment with your questions, feedback, requests. We're in Cartago right now. Probably going through San Jose in a little bit, and then up to Guanacaste to the beaches. Thanks for joining. Bye now.